Today is Tuesday, May 19th. We're going to continue to work on Unit 7, Module 3. Today, instead, we are going to be switching gears from multiplying to dividing by powers of 10. So, today we are going to be dividing by powers of 10 like this. So we're going to be dividing by probably a tenth, tens, and hundreds. So let's recall kind of where we've come from and where we are right now. So we were working on exponents or powers. So we know that 3 to the 4th basically means that we multiply 3 4 times. 3 is kind of our base number. 4 is our exponent, so that would be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So we know that 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 would give us a total of 81. So our answer for 3 to the 4th, you could say it that way, or 3 to the exponent of 4, or raised to the 4th, would be a total of 81. We also know that multiplying by a base 10 number, multiplying, will make our number larger, multiplying. So if we look at our pattern of 5.4 times 10, because we are moving our decimal one place value to the right, we get an answer of 54. You can put the decimal there if you want. It will not change the value. If we take 5.4 times 100, we will notice that our answer is 540. 5.4 times 1,000 will give us 5,400. 5.4 times 10,000 will give us, 54,000. So you will notice that our answers increase each time by a base of 10 because we are multiplying by a base of 10. If I divide by a base value of 10, my values or my totals will become now smaller because of course I'm dividing. That is what we'll be working on today with patterns and looking at different patterns. So we're going to start together and then we'll do some independent practice. Don't worry if you can't see this very well. I will be putting it in a Google Doc for you. Alfonso's company sells t-shirts to a soccer team. Each t-shirt costs $10. So that's important for us to know. So each t-shirt is $10. If you spent 1,000, how many t-shirts could you buy? So if I spent $1,030, how many t-shirts could I buy? So before we do that, we're going to figure out kind of where we would be at in kind of our table in a sense. So we're going to fill out our table kind of looking at patterns and trends, and then you can go back and fill out that. So if I have a total cost of $10 for my t-shirt, my equation would be 10 divided by 10 to give me an answer of 1 or 1 shirt. If I had a total cost of $20, so I'm giving this t-shirt company $20, I would have an equation of 20 divided by 10. 10 is the cost per t-shirt. For 2, that means that I end up with 2 t-shirts. So total cost, I'm giving the t-shirt company $100. So my equation would be 100 divided by 10 which of course would equal 10. So that means that I would be getting 10 t-shirts in total. So some of you might actually want to do this table first before figuring out question 1A to kind of help you in your calculations of how much you spent and how many t-shirts you could buy for $1,030. And then you'll continue on with a couple other different problems like this with dividing and seeing how, of course, your numbers will get smaller with this.